very prestigious award. It is a lifetime achievement in healthcare, and it goes to Dr. 𝐵ishnu Panigrahi, Group Head, Medical Strategy and Operations, Fortis Healthcare Limited, Gurgaon. So, in strengthening clinical systems, workforce standards and governance across India's tertiary care ecosystem.
Good evening, everyone. First, I'd like to say thank you to Mr. Kamal and Medgate, because they have been showcasing how Indian healthcare has evolved. And this is not for 𝐵ishnu Panigrahi. This is about celebration of Indian healthcare, because I've seen it through my eyes. I worked for 10 years in a medical college as a teacher, last 30 years in the corporate healthcare, and this is a success story of Indian healthcare. So it is about doctors, nurses, paramedics, and there's another huge ecosystem outside the hospitals. The people who supply equipment, supply our drugs, keep our facilities clean. So I think so Indian healthcare has evolved over the last couple of decades. And I think so that is why medical value travel is now looked up as India. And the clinical excellence that we deliver is at par with everyone. The best standards are there. And in fact, I'm walking the talk as far as we are concerned from Fortis Healthcare. Since 2016, we have been publishing our outcomes also. And when we compare it with the benchmarks of, say, Texas Heart or Houston or the NHS, it is at par at that, and sometimes better also. So what I want to say is that it is a celebration of Indian healthcare, and please be proud that where India is heading to, the Viksit Bharat, as I say, is there on the horizon, and it's a celebration for Indian healthcare. And thank you, Medgate. Thank you, Mr. Kamal, for having this here. And I visited your lovely city of Düsseldorf in 2016. And in fact, those who have not gone, I should say that you all should visit, because that's the best medical equipment fair that happens globally. You can have insights of all the types of equipments that are there, the latest ones. So I think so, and it's a lovely city. It's on the banks on the Rhine River, one of the most beautiful places Europe has. Thank you.
Hello, hi. Can we have a short introduction here?
Yeah, I'm Dr. 𝐵ishnu Panigrahi. I'm the Group Head of Medical Strategy and Operations of Fortis Healthcare. Thank you for this wonderful award that Medgate has given. And I think so it was a very nice meeting that you all had. And the best part is that for the last 2 days, and then again there's a session tomorrow also, the way you all have showcased all the stalls, and I can see a mini Düsseldorf here. So what I'm saying is Düsseldorf has the largest medical equipment fair the world has. And this is a microscope of that. And I think so I see in the near future, it's not too far off, much before Viksit Bharat sets in, I think so we'll be having one of the largest medical fairs happening in India. So I think so it's a celebration of how Indian healthcare has evolved. And that's why I said when I was awarded this, this award is not for 𝐵ishnu Panigrahi. It is a celebration for Indian healthcare, because I've lived through it 10 years as a faculty in the medical college teaching the postgraduate students after my postgraduation. And then I came back from New Zealand after my training. I had the opportunity to stay back, but I thought India is the place to be in. When people thought that my professor, he insisted, 𝐵ishnu, you stay back here. I said, no, I'll go back. And I don't regret it. New Zealand is a very beautiful country. I was in New Zealand. But I think so by coming back to India, I've seen the growth happening. And I was part of that growth. So that's what I'm saying. This is a celebration of Indian healthcare, the way they have grown. And it's a great thing. I must, first of all, congratulate Mr. Kamal for having the foresight of putting this together and implementing it. Thinking is one part of it, but implementing is the most important part. So I think so kudos to him, and I look forward for more to come. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.